This is a new 2014 Ford F-150, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include steering wheel controls, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature control, automatic climate control, an alarm system, cruise control, split rear seats, air conditioning, power windows, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Ford of Upland is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 555 West Foothill Boulevard, Upland, California, 91786.